if it's important, like say this line B, instead of underlining this whole thing, I'm going to come over here and I make one line. And one line here means what lives over here is important. Now, if it's super important, then I'm going to make 2 lines. Mind you, I'm doing this with the humble pencil. So I'm not fumbling over a million highlighters. And now I have 2 levels of importance, important and super important. But what if I know I'm going to have to write an essay on this book in 3 weeks, like I have to do with every book, and I'm going to have to put quotes in it, like I have to do with every essay, and I find a good quote here, then I put 2 lines and a star. And the star means there's a great quote living here. Type it in your Google Doc when you're done with this reading assignment, so that when they assign the future essay, your essay will be half written, and you just have to string together these fun quotes that you care about.